Repeat.
a lot
Please
of
repeat.
process.
Please repeat.
So when the alarm comes first, you see the red light here, you'll be blinking with
Yeah.
sound. You press this one, acknowledge, then you press silence.
Okay.
After that, you press acknowledge again,
Let's see the
then you
question.
disable, you press disable
Okay.
and enter. If you enter, then the device will disable. That means if any smoke is going again, it will not cause any alarm again. Then from there, you press
True.
trouble here. Trouble will come, you silence the trouble and you press reset.
Okay, thank you, man.
If you press the reset, it will take time like some 20 seconds. The reset is in progress. After, then the red light will go.
20 seconds.
After 20.
Yeah,
After
to stay
20
like
seconds,
20
just
seconds.
reset.
You will see it here, the red reset is in progress.
Trouble problem 91.
Yeah, that is what I'm trying to do here now.
Mode.
91.
Yes.
99.
Reset system.
Yeah, like if you press the reset, they will run this one.
Yeah.
So take like some
The
seconds.
setting progress. Thank you, man, for teaching.
That's it.
Yeah.